Okay, hey guys, everybody who wants to practice English speaking, let's do this together right now, because I'm an English learner and today, look, I'm going to be practicing English speaking in Moscow downtown. See that area with the skyscrapers, very tall and beautiful buildings. Today I'm going to be walking around this area, explore it, and I will just speak English, describe what I see, so you can improve your listening, learn new vocabulary, and just practice together with me. First thing first, I'm not going to lie, I'm super excited. I'm super excited to be here today, because that's something different. Like the rest of Moscow, it was like pretty regular area, but it's super tall, and this is like a business area, you know. I suppose people also can live in those buildings, but it's mostly offices, it's mostly for big companies. Right here we have this kind of fountain and two identical, similar buildings. Oh my gosh, it's so tall! Nah, it looks crazy, like I'm getting lost. Man, I'm just getting lost looking up. And yeah, it's like a restaurant right there. Maybe it is kind of office building. I'm not sure if real people, if residents can live here, but there is a fountain, and not only skyscrapers, but also greenery a little bit. Like it's very good that they planted trees and grass here, so it looks better. You know, it looks fresh. I'm going to cross this street right there to get to that area. All right. And yeah, as you might see, many buildings are not like completely built yet. Like it's under construction right now. In the future, they're going to make this area even bigger, way bigger. They're going to expand the territory. Oh, as I'm standing here waiting for the lights. Robot is also waiting. Quite smart. And now we're going. Hey buddy, how are you? Imagine like those robots would speak with me. That would be a really great invention. Come on, wait. That would be really cool. Imagine like you walking on the street and you just ask the robot, hey, like how can I get to the subway, for example, or where is it, the grocery store? And he would answer you, and you will like, yeah, robot, thank you so much. And you would just keep going, and he would just keep going, you know. By the way, that's a good invention, like, isn't it? You can just insert the smart speaker inside the robot, so he would stop and talk to you and help strangers, for example, or help foreigners who just arrived to the city and don't know nothing about the city. Yeah, robot would help. And then just deliver food. And then to think about it, maybe what if I create this kind of startup and then I will just become a billionaire and the next Elon Musk? Yeah. Ooh, nice screen. And now we're walking down the street. I really like that those skyscrapers are not the same, you know, different design. It's interesting and it's not boring. But you know, I wish our city would have more these kind of neighborhoods. That orange skyscraper is just crazy. It's called Mercury, like a planet in the solar system. So yeah, here it is, the main street. And this building, like, it's very long. It's a mall, it's a shopping mall. shopping mall. The entrance is right there. See that construction. They're probably preparing to a festival or something like that. Musicians. You know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird that there are no any celebrations or festivals here, music today. It's just construction because it is Saturday, and like in Moscow in Saturday, especially in summer, usually like something is going on, you know, celebration, music and people. Yeah, but not today, maybe not here. Do you wanna guys see the entrance? Do you wanna see the mall? Oh yeah, it's the subway and mall at the same time. Might buy a snack, just candies, chocolate, classic stuff. Let's see what we got inside the mall. Like, you know, nothing fancy, just a regular mall with elevator and floors. Yeah, just normal mall. I don't know, let's get out of here. Switzerland! Switzerland, watch! It's in Russian, just I understand Russian because I'm a Russian native speaker. Alright, let's keep exploring the downtown. By the way, there is an observation deck. Observation deck right on top of that building. As far as I know, it's raspy noise. So annoying. But oh wait, I guess I can't go there. It's blocked. Where to go? You see, it's like blocked by the workers. Oh man, that's me reflecting in the mirror. Bull versus a bear. A bull versus a bear. Who would have won? Bull or bear? By the way, it makes sense. It makes sense because this building is a bank. And a bull and a bear represents the market behavior. You know, there is a bull run when the stocks and all currencies are just going up. It's crazy. It's a bull run. And the bearish markets is when everything is going down, like the prices are falling and you just losing money. By the way, I checked the prices for the apartments, like approximate price for apartments in these buildings is going to be around $2 million. One of the most expensive apartments. Like $2 million, maybe 3. Look, what a difference. What a difference between this building and that building. And it's like 100 meters between those buildings. That's insane. Yeah. Like this building is short. No, it's short, only 5 floors. It's abandoned. Nobody lives there anymore because the government apparently just bought all the apartments and suggested people to move out to some other buildings. And this building is tall and new, modern, expensive, and it's old. Okay guys, I am finally on the waterfront. This area, like in front of water, here is the water, river behind me. It's called Waterfront, and I will walk along at this river walk right now. Look, there was a line of people, a lot of people. And they are going to take a cruise. Yeah, like that ship. It's called cruise. big line, and smelly flowers. Okay, and I will just walk along this river right there. Oh, let's take a look at this cruise. Tourists. Yeah, it's mainly for tourists who wants to, take a trip around the Moscow on the river. There's a crew wearing orange vest. Yeah. Oh look, I can lie down here. I'm going to lie down. Wait. Oh, it's good. And by the way, while I'm chilling, I want to remind you that I have a group chat for English learners on Telegram. So if you want to find a speaking partner or make more international friends, you can join that group chat using the link below in the description and in the pinned comments. Whoa, it looks beautiful, by the way, during the sunset. And guys, finally, by the way, I want to share with you that I've been fixing my sleep schedule, that today I got 8 hours of a good sleep. It has been problem since the World Cup times, when I ruined my sleep schedule because of the late and even early games. But the whole August, my challenge is to get 30 days straight of 8 hours sleep. Good sleep. Like, I usually go to bed around 12 or 1 a.m. and wake up around 8 or 9 a.m. So I want to follow this routine because it's very, very important. Like, sleep is extremely important. 8 hours to be productive, to do work as better as you can. You have to get a good sleep. To study effectively, to learn English, you have to sleep, because during the sleep, your brain processes all the information and sets your long-term memory. Guys, here is a bee. Bee is working right now. It is so cool. Bees are kind, really. It is just one of the best views, bro. It is so cool. I mean, it's summer. It's summer in Moscow. Oh my gosh, I love it so much, guys. To be honest, it's a great time. It's a great day. I hope you're also having a great day. I hope you also appreciate this summer. Appreciate the moments when you're walking. When there is sun. Wow. Oh, scooter. There you go. Okay, it is one of the best views, also one of the best views in Moscow. Definitely. Because we got downtown and old type of architecture. Just great. And thank you so much, guys, for being here. I love you so much. I hope you enjoy this vlog and this day. Let's keep going with learning languages, learning English. With doing anything you do in life, bro, just enjoy it and keep going and keep pushing. Thank you so much. See you guys. Bye bye.